Hello everyone, my name is Andrew Yeager. For my project, I created a goal tracker website that allows you to keep track towards your goals. There are three main entities in my website. First one is visions. If I click on the visions tab, it returns all the visions in the database. Here currently I have two. Visions are the long-term goals. They're where you see yourself in 3 to 5 years type of thing, or they could be lifelong endeavors. I'm going to create a new vision. For example, I have a new vision that is about being organized, and I'm going to set the description to I want to always keep my mind, my work, and my home space organized. Let's go add the vision. You see it gets added to the list. Visions are nice, but they can be hard to execute on because they're a little abstract and they're high level. Goals are a little more lower level and a little more concrete and actionable. So that's the next entity. You can see when I click on the goals tab, I get a list of all the goals in the database returned back to me. You can see goals have a status field. There are 3 possible statuses: not started, in progress, and done. I can go ahead and add a new goal as well. One thing to mention is that these goals are automatically sorted by status. You can see the not started at the top, in progress in the middle, done at the bottom. And furthermore, there's a second layer of sorting. All the in progress ones, you can see they're furthermore sorted by start date. I can update any goal. For example, I can update the status. If I move the status to in progress, actually let me do done. If I move it to done, learn JavaScript, submit it, you see it moves all the way to the bottom because it sorts automatically. If I move it to not started, hit submit, it gets updated, and it's automatically sorted back to those at the top. Let's add a new goal to support the vision that we have. I'm going to choose clean out of the garage. That's my goal. And description is going to be that. I'm going to give myself the week to do it, starting today. So I'm going to set start date and end date. Vision title. Visions and goals have one-to-many relationship. So this is how the goal gets into the vision. The vision was be organized. I click add goal. See, clean out the garage gets added to the list. And the start date and end date, everything's set appropriately. You can see not started is the default value given to it. So there's that. Goals, and the next thing is the to-dos. You can break down a goal into smaller actionable items called to-do. To-dos, if I click on the to-dos tab, I get a list of all the to-dos that I have associated to me in the database. You can see, again, they are sorted. They're sorted by the status. To-dos can either be done or not done. The ones that are done are crossed off and checked and put towards the bottom of the list. Things I still have to do are at the top, and they're also sorted by date as well. So I have these two active to-do items. Again, there's a one-to-many relationship between goals and to-dos. I'm going to create a new to-do. Just to prove the validation, if I click add to-do, you can see that some of these fields, these 3 are required, so we get validation. Start time and end time are optional, that's why we don't get any error messages there. I'm going to create a to-do called donate the bookshelf. I'm going to require that be done today. I don't care when it's done, so I'm going to leave these 2 fields empty. The goal title is going to be clean out the garage. Click add to do. You can see that donate the bookshelf is added to my list. Also, I picked the date to be June 22nd, which is today. If I go back to the home page, you can see the home page shows a subset of all the to-do items. It only shows the ones that are for today. So since I picked the due date to be June 22nd, which is today, that's why it's on the home page as well. You can update to-dos as well. If I check it and then hit submit, you can see it gets added to the list of things that are done and sorted towards the bottom. Last thing, we can delete individual stuff. You can delete to-do items, goals, and visions. One cool feature is that it deletes recursively. So if I delete the Be Organized vision, it'll delete all the goals associated with that, and it'll delete all the to-dos associated with those goals. So if I delete Be Organized, you can see it gets removed from the list. The Donate Bookshelf also got removed. And the to-do item, Donate the Bookshelf also got removed. So that's it for my project. Thank you very much for watching.